Are you looking for the perfect property management program but don't know where to start? Well, I'm here to help you out. Avantio has recently become a popular option for those looking to manage their vacation rental properties. Even though Avantio is mostly a vacation rental company, it still offers quite a few solutions for those looking for a space where they can manage their properties easily. This software, with its integrated channel manager, great customer service, and decent value for money, has proven to be a solid option for vacation rental professionals. However, will Avantio be the right option for your needs? That's what we're going to find out in this video. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney and I'm a property management expert with DoorLoop, here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but in this video we'll be reviewing Avantio so you can decide for yourself if it's the right choice. Avantio is a property management platform that allows people to manage their rental properties much more efficiently. The company describes itself as a cloud-based all-in-one software for those with a vacation rental business. According to the team, this tool can help you increase your competitive edge in the industry. Avantio claims it can help you achieve 3 different goals: increase revenue, build guest loyalty, and increase direct bookings. Let's dive into the most popular features. Manage your vacation rental business with a channel manager and property management software solution. The channel manager and PMS solution offered by Avantio claims it can help you optimize your property's potential and manage your revenue. Some interesting features of this department include: you can adjust your prices per property and channel. You can set up calendar alerts for when there are any gaps there. This allows you to edit occupancy rules and increase the chance of getting more bookings. You can analyze your website's current traffic in order to create an effective strategy to boost direct bookings, even in slow seasons. And you can offer discounts and promo codes to recurring customers to reward their loyalty. Market your properties. One big part of any property management process is marketing your properties correctly. Without the right tools, the chances are that not many people are going to notice your property, therefore lowering your chances of getting direct bookings. Thankfully, Avantio's property management software offers several marketing features that will allow you to make the most of your vacation rental property. Here, you can increase your direct bookings and pay 0% on portal commissions, build your brand's visibility and promote higher customer loyalty, expand your portfolio and attract new customers, and explore new niches. Another benefit of Avantio is that it offers a wide range of sales channels for your property. You can, for example, position your properties on Google. The Avantio team will help you optimize your website with advanced SEO techniques that will get it into the top of the search engine's result pages. Additionally, Avantio works with Google Ads SEM campaigns to increase your leads. Moreover, you can get help from the Avantio team while creating a blog with valuable, high-quality content to position yourself as an authority in the vacation rental industry. If you want to expand your offerings through different platforms, Avantio can help you build a social content strategy that will work across the platforms you choose. Third-party integrations. To make things easier for the customers, Avantio offers third-party integrations for those who want to complement their vacation rental business. Some popular partners include PriceLabs, Transparent, Stripe, Operto, Key Data Dashboard, and QuickBooks. There are dozens of different partners available from Avantio, so you will not have any problems making your property management process as efficient as possible. Partners and portals. You can use some of Avantio's partner portals to make your journey much easier. If you want to implement a dynamic pricing strategy, you can use Beyond, PriceLabs, Key Data Dashboard, and Transparent. On the other hand, you can connect your Google Vacation Rental account to your Avantio account without any commissions. Finally, you can offer Booking.com promotions from your channel manager, increasing the chances of more direct bookings. Website design. If you don't have a website to promote your properties yet, Avantio can help you with that. You can choose from a wide range of website templates and adapt them to your taste. It will be fully customized and optimized for SEO, ensuring you have a better chance at fighting the competition. If you're looking for a great software to boost your vacation rentals, then Avantio will be an excellent place to start. However, keep in mind that Avantio mostly does focus on vacation rental industry, meaning that those working in, let's say, residential or the commercial real estate industry may have issues managing the platform. If you're not working with vacation rentals, we suggest you go for one of our alternative options. But first, let's talk about Avantio's pricing. We've talked a lot about their features, but how much will it cost you? Well, the price you pay will ultimately depend on your needs. According to Avantio's team, the platform doesn't charge any booking fees and no commissions. If you have 20 to 49 properties, you can expect to pay $15 to $23 per property. If you have from 50 to 99 properties, you may pay $16 to $18 per property. If you have 100 to 199 properties, the price goes up to $15 to $17 per property. property. And finally, if you have 200 to 399 properties, you'll pay $14 to $16 per property. Avantio offers plans for those with over 400 properties, but you'll have to contact them directly to get that quote. If Avantio doesn't seem to offer what you're looking for in the property management software industry, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to review 3 different alternatives you can use for managing properties. But as opposed to Avantio, they focus on real estate management in general instead of only vacation rental properties. So if that's what you're looking for, then let's hop in. First, we have DoorLoop. DoorLoop is the platform that will offer the best value for money in the market. With your subscription, you'll gain access to an all-in-one solution to all your property management needs, ensuring you don't have to worry about any of those obnoxious and complicated tasks anymore. Whether you're starting as a property manager or have been working in the industry for many years, we can assure you that DoorLoop has everything you need to ensure a seamless experience with all your properties. DoorLoop has many features that make it one of the best solutions, so let's talk about them. First is a tenant portal to collect rent. Most tenants want to pay rent on time to avoid monthly fees, and the full service CRM from DoorLoop makes it easier than ever to do that. You can also communicate with them, plus the tenants get their own portal to make payments on their smartphones or desktop computers. Streamlined communications. It's easy to communicate with tenants directly in the app and through your desktop or smartphone. Plus, you can work with vendors, manage your maintenance request, and access information from within DoorLoop. There's no need to leave the system. A full suite of accounting tools. Everyone knows that QuickBooks is great, but it's not designed for property management. So with DoorLoop, you don't need to integrate with QuickBooks, but you can if you want to. Everything plays well together, so there's no issues either way. Dedicated owner portal. Do you require reports to see how things are moving, or are you in need of printing checks? Well, you can handle your partner and owner's requests in minutes with the dedicated portal for owners. And so many other features. But let's talk about DoorLoop's pricing. The starter plan starts at $49 per month for up to 20 units. Next, there's the Pro plan, which starts at $99 for up to 20 units, and there's a Premium plan, which starts at $149 for up to 20 units. Currently, DoorLoop is even offering a special discount for watching this video and a free demo. So go ahead and click the link in the description or go to doorloop.com/YouTube. Our second option is Inigo. Inigo is one of the top property management platforms on the market due to its free plan. If you're on a budget, then this may be the right program for you. Some of their features include solid accounting tools, maintenance request management, automated late fees, exportable data, customizable lease agreements, a tenant portal, simple rental collection system, and online lease signing. As mentioned, they do offer a free plan. Even though the basic plan is free, keep in mind that you'll still spend money on fees. So currently, Inigo charges 2.75% for credit or debit card payments and $2 for ACH payments. If you want to perform a background check of any kind, the company will charge you anywhere from $30 to $35 depending on the case. And our third and final option is On-Site Property Manager. On-Site Property Manager features include maintenance management, expense tracking, automatic charges, online tenant payments, tenant screening, and advertising and marketing. Let's dive into their pricing. The price you'll pay for On-Site Property Manager's subscription will depend on how many properties you're working with. You can start paying as little as $6.95 per month for the most basic plan. The next plans are priced as follows: $19.95 per month for 11 to 25 units, $39.95 per month for 26 to 50 units, $69.95 per month for 51 to 150 units, and $99.95 per month for 150 to 300 units. If you go over 300 units, you'll have to pay an extra 22 cents per unit. Keep in mind that all the plans mentioned offer the same features, so you'll get the full benefits even at the lowest price plan. Finding the correct software to manage your properties is already complicated enough, so we want you to get access to platforms that feel seamless all the way through. If you're looking for a premium quality software to manage all your residential or commercial properties, DoorLoop is one of the best options available. Even if you're still not sure whether DoorLoop is for you, you can just schedule a free demo. There, you'll get a glimpse of all the powerful tools that this platform has in store for its users. So go ahead and click the link in the description or go to doorloop.com/YouTube to get a free demo. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!